So therefore, let's say in one of our previous lives we made charity to the monks. Maybe we were a very good pastor and we really helped people. Or maybe we really served the nuns. Or maybe we built temples. Or maybe we did practice ourselves. Maybe we held some vows. Maybe we were amongst the nuns. Or maybe in our previous life, we were great charitable people who did charity. Maybe in our previous life, we practiced ahimsa. Maybe we were a Jain in our previous life. We didn't harm anyone. And so those actions that we've done are gone, but the results is in our mind. It's dormant. So those results, those results are called karmic dispositions, or simply dispositions, bakchak in Tibetan. So those dispositions are in our mind, active. And they're not from one lifetime. They're from hundreds and hundreds and hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of lifetimes. How strong we have done in every single life is how strong those imprints will be. Example, if every single life you did meditation for the last 10, 15, 20 lives, then in this life, meditation and the strive for dharma and compassion and those qualities will be very strong in you. Why? Because the disposition is there. So therefore, when you come across a lama, when you come across a teacher, when you come across the Dharma text, when you come across something holy, like where Buddha was born, it activates that disposition. When that disposition is activated, and then you realize there's more in life than just what I'm doing, and I want to develop higher qualities, that's a blessing. Be clear. That is a blessing. That is what a blessing is. A blessing is when something opens your disposition and influences you to the positive way. That is a blessing.